So Amazon recently launched the next gen Echo Dot in India. Yes, the Echo Dot 4. Of course, I already got one myself and enjoying it so far. So if you're also thinking of getting an Echo Dot 4 this festive season, but wondering how you might put it to use, well, we got you covered. We partner up with Amazon and here are some of my favorite things to do with this Echo. Now, like most of you, I use the Echo Dot to set up alarm, set up timer, listen to music and journal web queries. But here I will be mentioning some of the few quirky stuff and the recent updates available for Echo Dot. And before we begin, just like we always say, if you want to stay wiser, make sure you subscribe to TechWiser. With that said, let's begin. Okay, the number one way I use Echo is for home automation. So we recently started pumping out more videos on YouTube, if you haven't already noticed, and Alexa kind of help us to do that. So the objective of this new studio is to have a ready to shoot setup. The set, the light, the camera, all should be ready with one single command. And to make it possible, we have set up some Alexa compatible smart lights and smart plug. Now, I just have to sit in the frame and ask Alexa to turn on the studio lights. Alexa, turn on the studio lights.
Okay.
And Alexa will turn on the studio lights and lamp, etc. And we have a ready to shoot setup. Similarly, once I'm done, I can just say Alexa, turn off the studio lights.
Okay.
Helps a lot with multitasking. Another practical use of Alexa is in controlling other gadgets like AC and TV, etc. For example, I have got this Echo Dot 4 as well as Fire TV in my living room. So I can simply say, Alexa, watch Mirzapur on TV.
Getting Mirzapur from Prime Video.
And as you can see, Alexa will instantly pair up with the Fire TV stick and play the show on the TV. Obviously, you can also use other hands-free commands such as play, pause and skip to 30 seconds, etc. Another one that I use quite a lot while watching videos is Alexa, show security camera.
Okay.
So as you can see, this will pause the entire show that you are watching and instead show you the security camera footage right on your television. Pretty cool, right? And speaking of something cool, after the recent update, now you can also set up routines on your Fire Stick. Now, in case you don't know, routines are basically set of multiple instructions which can be invoked with a single command. For example, say if I ask Alexa, I'm getting a snack.
Sure, go ahead.
So as you can see, this will basically pause whatever I'm watching on my screen, give me a verbal confirmation as well as turn on the lamp. And say if I'm back, I will say, Alexa, I'm back.
Welcome back, Master.
And this particular command will resume my playback, turn off the light as well as give me a verbal confirmation again. Pretty cool, right? So these are a few examples of home automation with Echo. But you know what? You can not only automate home, but you can also automate online services using Alexa skills. Now consider Alexa skills just like an app which can be activated with voice. Now there are thousands of skills out there on the internet made by third-party developer. Some of them useful, some of them not so much. But I particularly find two of them quite useful in my case. For example, I can simply ask Alexa to add the calendar entry to buy PS5 on 24th November 12 pm.
I'll schedule by PS5 on Tuesday the 24th of November at 12 pm. Okay?
Correct.
Okay, I've added that.
As you can see, it's pretty seamless. Another Alexa skills that I use quite a lot is Alexa, open Find My Phone.
Hello. I am ready to help you find your phone. Do you want me to call you now?
Yes.
Calling 911. Say Alexa, stop call once your phone will be found.
Alexa, stop calling my phone. Now, this one is the most practical use of Alexa for me, especially during the work from home season. So say if I'm in the kitchen and I have used the last piece of butter, I can simply say, Alexa, add butter to my shopping list.
I added butter to your shopping list.
Similarly, I have multiple lists too, like Amazon Fresh, grocery store, studio equipments, etc. etc. And anytime I run out of something, I can simply call out Alexa to add it in the appropriate list. So next time I want to order from Amazon Fresh and I don't remember what exactly to buy, well, I can simply open the Alexa app and see the list there, or even ask Alexa to show it on the TV by saying, Alexa, show my Amazon Fresh list.
Here's your Amazon Fresh list.
And not just that, you can also add and remove stuff directly from the TV as well. And finally, speaking of multitasking, one of the coolest Alexa feature is drop-in. So suppose you, your friends or your family all have Echo products, then you can drop in and you can connect with them instantly to any Echo device, provided that you have given a permission before. So simply say, Alexa, drop in.
Do you want to drop in on Mrunal's Echo Dot?
Yep.
As you can see, this is completely seamless. There's not even a need to pick up the call.
This comes in handy if you want to catch up with your old parents and just want to hear their voice and want to know that they are okay. Overall, these were some of the few points on how Echo Dot make my life easier. I like the fact that if I misplace my phone, I don't have to search for another phone to call it. Also, the to-do list and grocery skills are super useful, and so is the ability to set up multiple timers while cooking. Of course, if you get a smart bulb and smart plugs, etc., then you can also turn on the smart lights and entertainment system as well. Although these things look small, but when you add all of them over the years, Alexa becomes a part of your life, just like a smartphone. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what little things do you use your Echo Dot for in the comments below. And as always, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And this is Mrunal signing off. I will catch you in the next one.